How to make a business account or a seller account on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a business account on Amazon. So you simply want to stick around with me till the end. In order to create a business account, it's a bit different from a personal account, because personal account is simply you're actually buying, but to create a business account, which means that you're the seller and you want to sell your products and services on your Amazon platform. That is also possible because registering on Amazon is also simple, but make sure that you have a legal document with you, which means the legal document of your business. If you do not have a document, you will not be able to verify the documentation later on. Now, considering all of that factor, you can just open up your browser, go to the official business website of Amazon, that is called business.amazon.com. So you simply want to go to business.amazon.com. Now I'll make sure to leave this direct link down in the description box, so you can just go ahead and check that out if you want to, or else you could just type in business.amazon.com. Once you go to it, you will see this kind of pop-up over here, which is Amazon Business. You supply the dream, we supply the race, and all this type of information. To get started, just tap on the create a free account button at the very top of the screen. Once you tap the create a free account button, it will give you this kind of pop-up. Let's say that it says let's create your free Amazon business account. So if you have a business email address, that's great. You can go ahead and enter the email address, or you can also simply enter any other email address on which you have access at the moment. So just make sure to enter the email address on which you have access. And as I said earlier, make sure you have information about your organization to help us verify your business account faster, because if you don't have a legal business documents, then you'll not be able to verify on Amazon. So just tap on the get started button once you've done so. And once you tap on the get started button, it says me to enter my full name and choose my business password. So just enter your full name, now not of your business but of your own personal, but you can enter your full name as well if you want. And you can also actually choose your email address. So just go ahead and enter your email address, and you can also go ahead and then choose a strong password. Once you fill in all these required details, just tap on the next step button over here. As you tap on the next step, it will take you to the next page. That's it. To verify the email, we've sent a one-time passcode to that specific email address. So you want to make sure to simply log into that email address over here. So go ahead and open the mail app. Once you open the mail app, go to your email address on which you've actually entered. Once you do so, refresh it a few times to see if you've received any type of email from Amazon. So I'll also go ahead and refresh it as well. So as you can see, it says Amazon verify your account. Tap on it. Here you can see this OTP code. I will just go ahead and copy this OTP code over here, and I will come back to my page, and here I'll just paste the code and I'll tap on the verify button. As I do that, it says me to enter my mobile number. So just go ahead and enter your mobile number depending upon whichever region you're currently living in. Now once you enter your mobile number, all you have to do is enter the OTP code, and once you create your OTP code, just tap on the create your Amazon account button, and you would have successfully created an Amazon business account. After that, you can move on to the process of verification and so on, and that's all it takes to create your business account on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.